Good morning from Tahoe Mountain. Got a little bit of steam coming off the lake over there near the Keys. Beautiful sunrise around 7:45, 7:50.
Good morning. Coming straight to you from the parking lot of the mountain, a couple minutes down the street from the house. Yeah, it's like 7:15. We brought the drone and we got Gypsy dog.
Okay, we just got here to the base of the mountain. On the other side of that ridge is Fallen Leaf Lake, but you'll see that when we get to the top. And so just approaching the base of this mountain, 7:40 right now. We got here at like 7:15, and I've already went through one drone battery. So I got the second one heating up in my jacket. And I'll show you some good views here in a second. Gypsy's having fun. Oh, Gypsy girl. Oh, Gypsy girl. You having fun? Are you having fun, Gypsy? Good girl. Good girl. Little Gypsy dog just out there exploring. Right when I put the drone away, we got that sunrise shot, so I had to break it back out. So yeah, me and Gypsy just got some pretty cool drone hiking shots in the shadow, in the sunrise. Pretty dope. Gypsy girl, what are you doing? You a good girl? Well, supposedly it's only 8 degrees Fahrenheit, but I am sweating. That's Fallen Leaf Lake behind me, and Mount Tallac is super bright right now. There you go. Yep, we're at the ridge. I think it took like an hour to get up here. No poles. Now we're riding down. All right, so flip-flop onto the snowboard. Gypsy puppy! Yeah, my good girl. You shredding with me? About to try the illegal and snowboard with my phone in my hand. Probably not gonna be a good shot anyway. Oh yeah, that's all we're doing. And of course, the drone wants to work at the bottom of the run. But you got to see the little rock drop I did back there somewhere. And yeah, got some good views. Hopefully this turns out to be a good video. Yeah, today with the drone, I had to learn how to launch it out of my hand while holding the remote and then catch it back in my hand, grab it out of the sky so it doesn't land in the snow or take off in the snow, or else it'll just get ruined. And I don't have a nice little platform for it. So today had some challenges, no poles. Drone didn't want to play because the batteries. It's always something. Coming prepared next time. Gonna hit that rock drop a little bigger. Snow is really nice on the way down. A lot better than I thought it was gonna be on the way up. Pretty fun. Okay, it's like 9 o'clock and we're back at the van. Nice full day. Or just one run, but nice day.